Hello friends, this is Gitanjali and I'll be discussing about creating jitter plots in Excel. Let's explore jitter plots. A jitter plot is a data visualization tool that shows the distribution of data points. It is similar to a scatter plot, but the points are slightly jittered or randomly shifted horizontally to avoid overlapping. It can be used to interpret the results of an ANOVA. For example, if an ANOVA finds a significant difference between the groups, a jitter plot can be used to see which groups are different and how large the difference is. So the first and foremost thing that we need to make a jitter plot or any kind of plot is a data set. So here we have a data set in which we have information about the patients who have visited the particular hospitals, that is hospital 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, where H1 represents hospital 1, H2 represents hospital 2 and so and so. If you have noticed, you can see that the observations here are not same. So in this type of situation, we will be using jitter plot to represent the data. But in order to make a jitter plot, we need to arrange this data in a certain way. Let us see how to do this. So we'll make two columns, one is hospital and the other one is patient number. You can see I have kept a vacant column in between. I'll come to this later. In the hospital column, we will be giving the number of hospitals, and in the patient number column, we will be giving the corresponding number of patients that have visited the particular hospitals. Let us now delete the empty column and make a plot out of it. As you can see on the screen, the points overlap each other and looks somewhat like a dot plot, which I have already shown in the last video. But this is not exactly a dot plot, as the points are not frequencies. It is the number of patients who visited the hospitals instead. So what I will do this is, I'll add the column and write H2 plus rand divided by 10 so that it gives very small random numbers, and press enter. You can see it has generated a number which is close to 1. Now if you drag it down, it will generate random numbers close to the respective ones. Our dataset is now ready to make a jitter plot. We'll repeat the same steps and press enter on the scatter option, and ta-da! Our jitter plot has appeared. Now you can see that the points are not in the same line, they are getting disturbed, which has reduced the chance of overlapping. And if you know what ANOVA is, this jitter plot comes as a counterpart of it, which I have already mentioned before. Hence, we can compare the means of different groups. Here the groups indicate the hospitals. So in this way, you can make a jitter plot in Excel, which is very simple, and add it to your article or research paper, dissertations, and so and so.
Yeah, we're gonna crunch up some numbers. Let's go. We crunch numbers, that's our mission. Magical statistics, no tension. Population sample and distribution, hypothesis testing and correlation.